I'm going to show you how to schedule professional development in Red Rover. I'm in the Red Rover home screen. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Professional Development. Click on that, opens up this menu. You're going to choose Browse Activities. You'll notice a list of activities here. So if I enroll in the Science of Reading, session 1 of 5, you need to repeat this step for all 5. So you're going to create an absence and enroll. You need to give the reason. Professional development, okay, all day. Note here, more details are required, so you're going to click Add Additional Details and then scroll down, and under here you're going to say Science of Reading. Okay, and you could add a note to your administrator for them to, perhaps the reason why you would like to attend, if you haven't talked to them about it yet, then they can decide if they want you to attend. And once you create it, then it will be routed to your administrator, your principal, who will then approve it, and your sub will automatically be scheduled. If you're enrolling, for example, in the Science of Reading, you're going to need to enroll in each session.